Morning, students. I'm Dr. Vijay Bandari, Associate Professor in CSE Department. I will cover today MRO topic in Python. So, first thing is that MRO. MRO is simply we can say method resolution order. Right? Method resolution order simply defines a method resolution, right? So in Python, MRO is the order in Python where a method is class hierarchy, right? Mostly it is used to look for methods and attributes in parent class or subclass. That understood to you? Now, so multiple inheritance means single subclass and that can inherit more than one class, and the subclass will be authorized to access attributes and functions unless they are not at a specific class. So MRO is a concept in inheritance. It is the order in which a method is searched for a class. Is especially useful in Python because Python supports multiple inheritance. In case MRO would be CPA. So B will be inheriting the properties of C and A will be inheriting. So how do we get MRO in Python, right? So MRO is a technique that is used there to search the order of the class being executed. So here, while inheriting from other classes, that the compiler needs a proper way to resolve the methods that called by an instance of the class. So it plays an important role in the multiple inheritances. So when we have the same function in more than one parent of the base class, so Python multiple inheritance, that is Python MRO method resolution order. So in this session, we are discussing Python inheritance also because without the discussing of Python inheritance, resolve the so Python multiple inheritance. We are discussing here what is multiple inheritance in Python and its example and its so in the other hand, we can learn Python MRO, that is method resolution. I am explaining to you. So we will be learning complications in multiple inheritance in Python. You have to clear about basically Python. So as it names indicative, multiple inheritance in Python is where when a class inherited one example of this would be that child inherit personality traits of parents, right? So like mother and father, child is inheriting properties of right. So we will proceed to multiple inheritance. We can see some example of that. So parents example we can see like grandparent, right? So to make class inherit from the multiple Python classes, so I will write the name of these classes and inside parenthesis the derived class while defining. Separate these names with the comma, right? So here some I give you an example of that on the terminal. First, open the CMD. First, it opens, and then you will write some. So, I am giving you some demonstration, right? If you have any doubts, you query on chat box. Right, so, I'm defining some multiple inheritance. You have one class. Class. Another class is father. Just I'm not here only giving some examples so that you can understand. I am here passing, and another class child mother dot. So this these are the like mother and father and child is generating, right? So here is subclass child and father, right? Right? And we can also create subclass child father. Very simple, right? So child mother and child father, the subclass. So here it is output will be because Python method resolution is obviously in inheritance concepts. When we search for an attribute class that is involved in multiple inheritance and ordered, right? So first it is searched in the current class. If not found, the search moves to the parent class. This is left to right and depth. That is the method resolution. So in the but I have given example of class. So the search order will be child, mother, father, and object. So this order is called linearization of class child, and the set of rules applied are MRO pattern. Get the MRO of class, you can use the MRO attributes of the MRO method. So which I have given example. The MRO attribute is a tuple, but the MRO method is a pattern. Take a more complex example that also illustrates that. For search, take another example. These are the basic things. And the question arises, how do you change MRO in Python? But in general, we can modify the instance class or at runtime by the MRO of the instance, not the particular class. So, for this. So this meta class provides an overloaded MRO method and the class method to change the MRO. The class attribute change MRO to control the MRO. So that is, I think, clear. Now we move to next. Here, the example of that another example we take. So like class A object, right, defined to this and print this is a class. We as like we are creating the class B defined to this this is B, right? Class C is the inheriting class B. Class D is inheriting class C and B. So class D, C, and so D is generating class C and B, so we can write this and do this. Arrow. I am clearing. So print these class, getting the object of the class D underscore object. Get the object of class D and calling the function storage. So D underscore object dot this print D dot MRO B. Of this D class main D class main C class class main B and class main D class object. So these are the things. I think it is clear to everyone. Any doubts, so please clear your chat box. Finest example of MRO. I think it is clear to and the last example like and MRO functions. MRO functions like MRO includes everyday maintenance and test facility. And what's main goal of the MRO is to keep like some multiple inheritance on multiple inheritance at example of parent child, right? So thanks. That's for the day. Thanks everyone. If you have any doubts, so please.